Hey guys, we're back and it's Halloween, as you can tell. So yeah, let's talk about these faces, baby. Let them know what's going on with your face.
I'm a zipper skeleton.
Yes.
You guys can see.
And you're bleeding from your zipped up face.
And my flesh has been ripped.
And you have a skeleton neck.
Mm-hmm.
And I, of course, am half Beauty Barbie, half Zipper Goth. And I absolutely love how this came out. We used the typical FX zipper faces from Party City.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it did take a while. So if you guys are going to do these faces, make sure that you spend time, especially adhering down the zipper. Did you experience any problems doing yours, baby?
A little.
What was the problem?
A little. It kept coming up.
Okay. So, yeah, I wouldn't use the brushes that come in the kit. Definitely get your own tools. Let me give you guys a close-up. You're fine, babe. Love it.
I like it too.
So happy Halloween from the Lawrences.
Happy Halloween.
All right.